It's a bit disgusting,
There
isn't
is
it?
in that corner. Yeah, mould, oh sorry, algae and poop. Probably actually mostly algae, but I'm not going to taste it to find out though.
You sure?
Yep.
I'll taste everything else. I'll go taste it.
You can smell it.
I'm afraid to.
Smells like a dirty old fish tank.
Mm. Oh, look at him.
Mm.
Wow.
Getting a good shot of him there.
Yeah, there are.
There's some big trout in there, look at that. That's nice to know there.
Poor things want to get out.
The size of that catfish. The catfish, but
He's in the corner, isn't he?
hanging out together. Yeah, it's big.
How much do you think he's growing? Double the size, or
No, no.
they've always been?
The catfish haven't grown much at all. They're very slow growers. Look at that. See? Spectacular catfish, don't they? I'm really pleased.
And can they lost a fish?
Yeah.
Good. So what, you just drain the water and put new water in?
Yeah.
So isn't it just going to do the same?
Probably eventually, but as the grow beds mature, they'll be able to absorb and hold more of the nutrient from the fish waste. So they'll hold more of the poop in the grow beds. They're very new and takes time.
Okay. So how far are you going to go down? These? That's still a fair way.
Down to the top of the pump probably. Get as much as I can in.
You gonna scrub it or?
No. I think that's algae though, most of those. Even though it's poo brown.
Can you feel if it's algae?
I'm trying to down feel it. There they are. Pretty awesome trout and some catfish. Got 5 catfish in there. Another one. Yes, nice one. Some big trout in there.